Now today we solve problem on question 6, question 7, question 8. First question is find the general solution of following equations. See the first example. 4 cos square theta equals to 3. Therefore we write this as cos square theta is equals to 3 by 4. Therefore cos square theta is equals to, here square of cos is given, so we have to write RHS in the form of square. We cannot calculate the square root of 3, so we write this as root 3. Square root of 4 is 2, so we write in 1 square. 3 by 4 can be written as root 3 by 2 its square. After simplification you get the value 3 by 4. Now cos square theta is equals to cos square alpha. We have general solution for this type, so we have to find for which angle we get value root 3 by 2 for cos. So from table you can find, from the table cos 30 is root 3 by 2, so we write here cos pi by 6 its square. That means we have to find a general solution for this form cos square theta equals to cos square alpha. Therefore, the general solution for cos square theta is equals to cos square alpha is theta is equals to n pi plus or minus alpha. N belongs to z. So instead of alpha in our problem value is pi by 6. So we write this as, therefore, the general solution for cos square theta is equals to cos square pi by 6 is, we know that cos pi by 6 its square can be written as cos square pi by 6. So general solution for this is theta is equals to n pi plus or minus, in place of alpha we have to write pi by 6, n belongs to z. So this is the general solution for this 4 cos square theta equals to 3. Now see example number 2. 4 sin square theta equals to 1. So we have to rearrange this first. Sin square theta is equals to 1 by 4. 1 by 4 in square form we write as 1 by 2 its square. Sin square theta equals to, we know that for the angle 30 we get value 1 by 2 for sine ratio, so we write here sine, again pi by 6. For sine 60 we get 1 by 2, so we write here directly sine square pi by 6, because sine pi by 6 is 1 by 2, here is square. Now it is of the form sin square theta equals to sin square alpha. So the general solution for sin square theta is equals to sin square alpha is theta is equals to n pi plus or minus alpha, n belongs to z. Therefore the general solution for, sin square theta is equals to sin square pi by 6 is theta is equals to n pi plus or minus, in place of alpha we get here pi by 6, n belongs to z. This is a required general solution. Now in third example, cos 4 theta equals to cos 2 theta. This is of the form cos theta equals to cos alpha. So we directly write the general solution for cos theta equals to cos alpha is theta is equals to twice n pi plus or minus alpha, n belongs to z. Therefore the general solution for cos 4 theta is equals to cos 2 theta is theta is equals to, now here we have to write in place of theta in our problem 4 theta, so we write here 4 theta is equals to twice n pi plus or minus, in place of alpha in our problem angle is 2 theta, so we write here in place of alpha 2 theta. n belongs to z. Therefore, now while calculating the general solution, we require the value of theta. So here are two signs, plus or minus. So we first take when sign is positive. When sign is positive. When sign is positive, 4 theta equals to twice n pi plus or, we taking plus sign, so we write here plus only. 2 theta, n belongs to z, that is, after transferring this 2 theta to left hand side, we get 4 theta minus 2 theta, that is 2 theta equals to twice n pi, n belongs to z, that is, theta is equals to, after dividing by 2 on both sides, we get theta equals to n pi, theta equals to n pi, n belongs to z. This is possible when sign is positive. Now we have to find when sign is negative. When sign is negative, so we write here 4 theta is equals to twice n pi minus 2 theta, n belongs to z. Now after transferring this minus 2 theta to left hand side, we get 4 theta plus 2 theta, that is 6 theta is equals to twice n pi, n belongs to z. After dividing each side by 6, we get theta is equals to, here 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3, so we write here n pi by 3, n belongs to z. These are the general solutions for given equation cos 4 theta equals to cos 2 theta. Now see question number 7. Find the general solution of sin theta equals to tan theta. So we have to write this tan theta in terms of sin and cos first. So we write tan theta as sin theta upon cos theta. After cross multiplying, so we get in LHS sin theta into cos theta is equals to this sin theta. Now we have to take sin theta common. So we write here sin theta common, cos theta minus 1 equals to 0. So this is of the form a into b equals to 0. Either a is 0 or b is 0. So we write sin theta equals to 0 or cos theta minus 1 equals to 0. Now we know the general solution for sin theta equals to 0. So we write here the general solution for sin theta equals to 0 is theta equals to n pi, n belongs to z. And cos theta minus 1 can be written as cos theta equals to 1. After transferring minus 1 to RHS, we get cos theta equals to 1. We know for angle 0, cos 0 is 1. So we write cos theta equals to cos 0 equals to 1. So we know the general solution for cos theta equals to cos alpha. The general solution for cos theta equals to cos alpha is theta equals to twice n pi plus or minus alpha, n belongs to z. So we have to write general solution for cos theta equals to cos 0. In place of alpha, we have to write 0. So we write in general solution. The general solution for cos theta equals to cos 0 is theta equals to twice n pi plus or minus 0, n belongs to z. Now this can be written as theta equals to twice n pi, n belongs to z. This is general solution for sin theta equals to tan theta. Means such types of problems we have to simplify it. And here you have to note one thing, we not cancel this sin theta. If we cancel sin theta, then we get general solution for this cos theta minus 1 equals to 0 only. So we have to take sin theta common, then we have to find its general solution. Now see second example. In this we have to find general solution of tan cube theta equals to 3 tan theta. So we take tan theta common, tan cube theta minus 3 tan theta equals to 0. After taking tan theta common, we get tan square theta minus 3 is equals to 0. Therefore, tan theta equals to 0 or tan square theta minus 3 equals to 0. Therefore, the general solution for tan theta equals to 0 is theta is equals to n pi, n belongs to z. Now we have to find general solution for tan square theta minus 3 equals to 0. Therefore, tan square theta is equals to 3. So we write tan square theta minus 3 equals to tan square theta equals to 3. Therefore, taking square root on RHS, we write 3 as root 3 x square. Now we know the form tan square theta equals to tan square alpha. So we write root 3 in tan form as tan square theta is equals to tan pi by 3 its square. That is tan square pi by 3. Now we have to find general solution for this. For that we know general solution for tan square theta equals to tan square alpha. Therefore, the general solution for tan square theta is equals to tan square alpha is theta is equals to n pi plus or minus alpha, n belongs to z. Therefore, the general solution for tan square theta is equal to tan square pi by 3 is theta is equals to n pi plus or minus, in place of alpha we have to replace pi by 3, n belongs to j. These are the general solutions. Theta equals to n pi and theta equals to n pi plus or minus pi by 3.